Here you can see I wrote out 27 degrees, and what I would like to do is to show you how to enter 27 degrees but using the symbol for degrees. I'm entering 27 and now I will simply click onto insert. If you come over here you can click onto symbol and then here where it says more symbols, this dialog box will then appear. You make sure that this says font normal text, in addition to the subset being Latin 1 supplement. You then click onto this symbol, then you click onto insert and then close. And you can see that the degrees symbol has been placed here. There are a number of other ways you can insert the degree symbol using shortcuts on your keyboard, but that involves you having to memorize various codes, which can be easily forgotten. I find this overall is the quickest and safest method to do it.